Boost your English, mastering irregular comparative and superlative adverbs. Hello language learners! Welcome back to our series on descriptive English. In this video, we'll be zooming in on a special set of adjectives and adverbs, the irregular comparative and superlative forms. They may be irregular, but once you get the hang of them, your English conversations will be much more vivid and compelling. Let's dive in. Irregular adverbs are unique because they don't follow the usual or est pattern we see in regular comparatives and superlatives. Instead, they completely change form. So, for example, good becomes better and best, not gooder and goodest. Quite interesting, isn't it? Let's explore some irregular comparative adverbs. Remember, these are used when comparing two things. Badly changes to worse. For example, he behaved worse than last time. Well changes to better. For example, she performs better than her brother. Now, let's look at some examples of irregular superlative adverbs. These are used when comparing more than two things. Badly becomes worst. For instance, out of all the players, he performed the worst. Well turns into best. For instance, she sings the best in the choir. It's time for you to practice. Try forming sentences with these irregular comparative and superlative adverbs. Speak them out loud and use them in your day-to-day conversations. This is the best way to learn. And that's a wrap on irregular comparative and superlative adverbs. They might be irregular, but with practice, they'll become a regular part of your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step, even the small ones, brings you closer to fluency. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious. Happy learning!